In the cloud content, you can find all Naviate content. You can select projects and load a project and open a project, like this reinforcement repeating details. Or you can select families and then search and find families to add to your project. You can select discipline, regions, and then if you want to see model families, annotation families, tags, details, or profiles. So now I'm on model families, so I can, for example, search for an opening. And I can see if the opening is in my project when the icon looks like this. If I don't have it in my project, it will be a green arrow. So if I want this type of opening inside my project, I can either click or drag or click the green arrow. I'm going to click and drag it now. And now it's loaded into my project, and now I can place it by left click. If I don't want to search, I can also use additional filters instead. So for example, if I want to see my structural foundation families, I can click additional filters, go to category and structural foundations. Then I add the structural foundation category here, and I will only see those families. And here I can load my sheet pile by clicking the green arrow. And now that's loaded into my project. I can also click and drag to place it when it's loaded too.